Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about how to do exercise number 2, which is based on hundreds. So last class I told you what is hundreds, how to deal with those type of questions I have told you. So exercise 2 is based on that. So this is first question I have already done for you. So color to show the decimals, so I will use the shading part. So 0.16, which is also mean equal to 16 by 100. So there are 100 squares, which are this square is having 100 equal parts, and out of that 16 parts are shaded. So this is the thing. So in case of B number, it will be same only. So this 0.20 means 20 by 100. So 20 by 100, that means what? So out of 100, 20 parts is shaded, so or colored. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So in case of this C number, it is somewhat different. So you can see 0.06 means what? 06 means 6 only. So 6 by 100 is this. So how many you will shade? It has 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So next number you can see number 2, A number question. So this is given, write the shaded part as a fraction and as decimal. So first one is given. So there are 28 parts which are shaded, and that out of 28 by 100 parts, so you need to convert this one is the fraction part, and that one you need to convert in the decimal. So 0.28. So this one is another 100. How many are shaded? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So 20 parts are shaded out of 100. So 20 by 100. So when you convert this 20 by 100 into decimal form, it will be what? So as there is no whole part, it will be 0.20, it will be the answer. So 0.20 is 0.2 also. Okay. So next number C, if you see, this one is there. So how will you write? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. Is it 27? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. So it is 27 by 100. So 27 by 100, if you convert that one in that one, it will be 0.27. Now the thing is, next question is given, you need to convert the this one decimal. They have given a fraction part, that is 32 by 100. How will you convert that into decimal? First you write the number of up numerator. Okay, so how many 0 is there? 20 is there. So 20, that means you need to put a point before 2 number, 1 2, but as whole part is not there, 0 whole part, so 0.32. so like that for B number, it is same only, 0.65. but in case of C, you can see 13 is the whole number part, right? 13 is the whole number part, and then you write 1 is there, right? But in here you can see 2 zeros is there. 20 is there. If 20 is there, but one number only there. Sorry, let me show you in another way. if you are finding this one confusion. So you convert this in this form. How will you convert? if you do, it will be what? The denominator remains the same. If numerator is there, 13 into 100 is 1300, 1300 plus 1 is 1301. This is the answer you have converted. Now you convert this in decimal form. Now it becomes easy. So it will be what? 1301 you write. So as 20 is there before two numbers, you need to put a point. So this is 13.01. Similarly, in case of here also, you convert that. You can convert that. You will get what? 100. Denominator remains the same. For up, you used to do what? Into plus we used to do. 2 into 100 is 200. 200 plus 9 is 209. So when you convert this 209 in decimal form, it will be what? 209 you write. So as 20 is there before two number 1, 2. So this is 2.09. So next is that they have given the fraction part and you need to convert that in the decimal part. So this one is there. First you write the number, how many is before two, how many numbers is that one. So as 2 numbers, so you need to put 0. So in case of this one, it will be what? 23 by 100 is the answer. In case of this one, you see 03 means what? 0.03. 03 means what? 3 only. You put before how many number? 1, 2. So it will be 20. So 100 it will be. So similarly, in case of here, you will write what? You will write what? You write all the numbers. You need to write all the numbers. Or you do what? You convert this in, 550 you write. All the numbers actually you need to write, and then you need to put how many before how many number? 1, 2. So before two numbers, so it will be 20. So it will be. So if 550, if you find this one is different, this one also you can use. 5 is in whole part, and this one is in decimal part. So decimal part is 50 by 100. So it is 550 by 100. So like this also you can do, both are same. So next are number 5. It will be what? How will you write? 0. Now you cannot write 25. You need to write each number names. 2, 5. Number B, you can write 2.36. 36. There is another way also. We used to write 0. But this is easier one, so you can use it. 0.01 or 0.5. You cannot write 5. Okay, you need to write 0. So last one you need to write. Number D is 15, because before point we used to follow the number system. It will be 15.23. Single you need to. You cannot write 23. You have to write after point like 2, 3. So 15.23. So these are the answers. You can see. So number 6 is there is different 6 number. How will you write? So this is place value chart. I taught you this one. So 0 is in ones place, and after 0, this is in 10 place, and then 100 place. It goes like this: 10, 100, 1000, like that. But before the point, it used to be ones, tens, 100, like that. Okay. So before point, it will be what? 0.0 is in 10 place and 5 is in 100 place. Similarly here 2.38 is the answer number C. Number C number, it is ones, tens is in ones is in tens place, and 5 is in ones place. 0.15. So similarly this one you can see 1.48. So these are the answers of all the questions. Okay, I think you understood. So this way I like to conclude, and in the next class I will deal with the application of this tenth and hundred in different where we use these things. So you will come to know in the next video. So this much for today. Thank you for watching.